Welcome to our next episode of our Executive Education series for Data and Analytics. My name is Reghard van Jaarsveld, Practice Director for Data and Analytics at Decision Inc. Australia. It's no secret that data is a valuable asset, but it can lose its value if it isn't properly managed. Introducing data governance into your organization is critical to keeping your data safe and productive. In this episode, we'll cover the topic of data governance. Do any of these questions sound familiar to you? Where can I find the data I need for my presentation? Why is the sales number in my report different to the one we discussed in our weekly meeting? Who owns data within our organization? Can we handle requirements from new privacy laws? Can we provide or delete a customer's data if they request it? Implementing effective data governance policies and procedures can help us answer some of these questions and better manage data within our organization. So what is data governance exactly? It's a collection of processes, roles, policies, standards, and metrics that ensure the effective and efficient use of data across the organization. Good business data should be automated, accurate, frequent, and accessible. Data governance holds the keys to ensuring organizations obtain value from their data assets. Some of the benefits of a well-governed data estate include better and more reliable data, a single version of the truth, regulatory, legal, and industry compliance, and possible cost reduction as data and reporting operations become more efficient. A data governance framework can help organizations to achieve their goals and obligations with respects to data. The three pillars that underpin a robust data governance framework are people, processes, and technology. The people represent the data governance board, responsible for data within the organization. The processes are the steps taken to ensure that during the data lifecycle, data is actively managed. And the technology represents the applications and tools that help us manage our data assets. The data governance framework can also help us manage the more intricate components of our data. Let's use a practical example of how a data governance framework can help an organization better control their data assets. A retailer would like to better understand their customers' buying behaviors to inform their promotional strategy. They'll need to bring data together from various transactional systems, sales data from a point of sale system, and customer data from their loyalty systems. They need to be careful as the data that they're working with is sensitive and private. Whilst accessing and wrangling the data to get to the answers, the governance framework will assist to help manage the data more responsibly. The data privacy component will highlight that we're working with sensitive data. The data steward will be responsible for managing the use and consumption of the data. The data quality component will ensure that the data is meaningful and usable. Metadata management will ensure that we can trace sensitive customer data through our systems and applications. Master and reference data management will ensure that we can enrich our data sets to get to more useful insights around customer segments and product categories. Data security management will ensure that only authorized users have access to sensitive customer data. And the information lifecycle governance will ensure that we only keep the necessary and relevant data to obtain insights. Adherence to data governance standards will ensure that your organization can obtain value from the insights while still remaining compliant and in control. Thank you for attending this executive education series on data governance.